admitted to the College of Philosophy.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As promised, today we are going to unbox my new Oraimo CyberVac 180 watts wireless stick vacuum cleaner. It's really amazing, so let's get onto it.
Admitted to the College of
Once you open the box, this is what you get to see, and these are the items that you get to find. The first thing you see is the user guide or the manual. The second item you get to find in here is the short brush, the one that you can use to clean the windows. In the box, you also get this stick. This is the one that you connect to the floor brush. In here, you'll also find a long suction nozzle, which is used to clean seats, or in other terms, upholstery. If you're loving this so far, please remember to give me a thumbs up, that's liking the video, and also subscribe down below. A girl will appreciate it. In here we also have the floor brush, and we have these filters. So these filters are 3 and 1 extra, that is 4. So the last one is in the vacuum itself, so you're going to see 3 on the outside, like so. You also get to have this wall bracket, the one that you can mount on your wall, and you can just be putting your vacuum there for it to be secure. The most important thing here, the battery itself. It reads, "This vacuum must be charged fully before use." In this box, you also get a charger, the one that you can use to charge your vacuum. And this vacuum, in the user manual, it's mentioned you only use this charger to charge it. The beast itself, the vacuum, this is now the mother of all the items in this carton. There is a cleaning brush also. This one you get to use to clean the filter, and also the brush for the floor brush. Guys, so I'm here with my vacuum. I want to vacuum my carpets, and I remembered I need to complete this video. So this is 3 months later. I'm here to finish this video, and I promised I'm going to give you an honest review. Yeah, so here we are. There's a part I didn't show you. The inside looks like this. It comes like that. So here is where you find the filter. Here it comes intact like this. The fourth filter is here. So I just cleaned this one. See? Yeah. So fixing it is pretty simple. Just like that. You put it in there. Yeah, it will just fit, and then you twist. There's a clicking sound that you'll hear. That's how it comes. And then if you want to vacuum the seats, the upholstery, this is what you use, the nozzle, the long nozzle, like that. So you can remove this and fix this if you want to vacuum the windows, or a place where you want to brush, removing dust as you vacuum. Yeah, so our dirt is in here for this, from the seat. As you can see, the crumbles for the bread I just placed on my seat are here, as you can see. Let's vacuum the carpet. So the floor brush comes fitted with this. I just removed them to clean. Yeah, so let's put this back. So there are 2 arrows there. So you pull this to the side, and then you remove it easily. And putting back is the same. Then you pull this to the outside, fit it, and then lock it. The function of this brush, actually you just remove the hairs like this from this brush.
Hey guys, subscribe.
Yeah, so guys, subscribe. So fixing the floor brush with the stick is easy. So there are these points. You make sure they align with these points in the inside, okay? Yeah, so I'm going to align them like that. So here is where the vacuum goes in. It's the same. Yeah, and then now you can vacuum. One thing I love about this vacuum cleaner, it's very much adjustable. Even a baby can use it to vacuum. or a tall person. So it's long. A feature I love about this vacuum is that it's on standing. It's flexible, yes, but on standing. So whenever you're cleaning and you want to pause for a bit, you don't need to look for a place to place it. You just put it like that and it stands on its own, and you can fix other things as you clean. Okay, this vacuum is very much light in weight. It's very light, and the noise is minimal. I love that about it. Downside is for me, it's how long the battery lasts. Yeah, so my house is a 2-bedroom house, and when I clean my I vacuum my entire house, that is vacuuming the floors, the carpets, kitchen included, 2 hours. That's how long the battery can last. So I'm assuming someone has a bigger house and is planning to do a deep clean for the entire mansion, or a 4 or 5 bedroom house. Then you'll have to pause, charge this, and then continue with your cleaning. To mention, it's a dry vacuum. This is a dry vacuum, it's not a wet vacuum. So that collected for today. This is how you remove it. Press here. So I'm going to trash this. Come to the end of the video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video down below, and subscribe if you're new. And if you're coming back, thank you so much for always coming to watch my content. I appreciate you so much. So it's road to 3,000 subscribers. Help a girl achieve that dream. Support a girl by subscribing. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.